Hi guys, welcome back. If you want to purchase more iCloud storage on iPhone, how can you purchase? So I will explain clearly how to buy additional storage on your iCloud. So go ahead to your setting on your mobile phone first and click your profile and go ahead to your iCloud. So you will be able to see you don't have enough storage to back up this device, so you need to upgrade to iCloud Plus for more speed. So if you see it, just click upgrade for more storage here, and you will be able to see available package. So there's a lot of function you can choose. The first one is 50 gigs, $0.99 per month. So it's storage for your photo, files, and backup. So if its estimate cost is 0.99 per month. So if you want bigger than 50 gig, you can also choose 200 gig. It's $2.99 per month. And the last one is the most expensive, but it can store a lot of data from your mobile phone. It's 2 TB. It's the cost is 9.99 per month. So if you are the one who have to use for bigger data storage, this one is full. Or you just want to use for your personal or school, you can choose 50 gigs. And if you want to upgrade, just click it. And you can be able to purchase with your app appeal. So just click to subscribe and put your password, and now you will be able to purchase your additional iCloud storage. So by doing that, you can get more iCloud storage on iPhone. You can purchase. So that's how to purchase, guys. I hope this will help you a lot if you want to get a true place to storage. So thank you so much and see you, bye guys.